is a month of heat and even humidity at times, especially if you're in the northern hemisphere. This is a great time to find fruits and vegetables that are loaded with a sweet taste. However, Agni, or the digestive fire, does not do so well. So whatever you eat, eat in digestible, smaller quantities. Don't fill up your stomach, because that will cause you some ill ease during summer months. Summer is a great time for squashes, for the sweet fruits like bananas and tangerines that are growing in abundance, giving you a hint that you must consume them. Coconut water is also wonderful, and juicy vegetables like avocados and cucumbers are also a great idea. Cook the food in such a way with spices that aid the digestion, such as with cumin, turmeric, coriander, and even a dash of black pepper, not much, because the heat will otherwise aggravate pitta. We're using the black pepper only as an aid to digestion and not necessarily to tantalize your taste buds. To eat more seasonally, you can always check out my book, Ayurveda Lifestyle Wisdom, where I have provided several seasonal recipes as well as tips.